Greetings and welcome to Tax Saving Tips for High Income Earners Part 2. I'm your host, Cortez, financial health mentor to the working class. We're going to continue our conversation on how to save with the U.S. tax code for high income earners. See you in a bit. Welcome to another episode of Financial Health Mentor TV. I'm your host, Cortez, the financial health mentor to the working class, where we do our very best to bring practical, proven, wealth-building strategies to hard-working men and women like yourself all across this great nation of ours. So we're going to continue our conversation where in video number 1, if you have not seen that, then I'll put a link to it below. But we basically went over 4 tax-saving tips to help high-income earners limit their tax liability. And basically, we talked about the benefits of having a home business and how if you had an office in your home for your home business, if you use your vehicle and drove miles for business, if you pay wages to your children, and also some of the utilities in your home that you pay on a monthly basis, how some of those can become tax deductions. And we came up with a figure of $21,600. All right, now keep in mind those are just 4 of the over 400 tax deductions that you have available to take advantage of if you have a home-based business. But this is the figure that we came up with. Now, say for instance you are that high-income earner that's earning $120,000 per year. All right, out of that $120,000 per year, you're taxed at a 25% tax rate. All right, that's $30,000 per year that you're going to be taxed. Now, that in and of itself is sickening. All right, the fact that a person can work earn $120,000 and only bring home $90,000 because $30,000 is going to Uncle Sam is crazy to me. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not about tax avoidance. I'm not about not paying taxes, because trust me, I love riding on smooth roads. I love that my children have an option to get a free education. I love all of the things that the taxes pay for, your police force, your fire department, and all that good stuff. That's all fine and dandy, and I love it. But just think about that number. $120,000 you earn, $30,000 goes to Uncle Sam. So, but I don't complain, because I vowed years ago that I'm going to stop hating the game and spend more time learning how to play. And I advise you guys to do the same thing. So out of that $120,000 you make, you bring home $90,000 because $30,000 went to Uncle Sam. Now, we talked about you having $21,600 worth of tax deduction. So here's how that works. $120,000 minus your $21,600 in tax deductions. Now your taxable income is no longer $120,000, it's $98,400. All right, now at the same 25% tax rate, your tax bill is now $24,600 instead of $30,000. All right, so that's a difference of $5,400. Now, $5,400 may not seem like a lot, but it's $5,400 less that's going to Uncle Sam. All right, now, and you think about what it really takes to make this $5,400 in the real world. How much money do you have to have in a bank account, in a savings account, to make a $5,400 annual increase or savings, all right, or get your money to grow by $5,400 in 1 year, all right? The average savings account is less than 1% interest that you're going to earn on that money. All right, so you're going to need well over $500,000 in order to get that back as a return on your investments. And here we got this return by simply starting a home-based business. All right, so I want you to think about that for a minute. Even if you think about, well, what if I'm getting 2% on my money? All right, well, you're still going to need a significant amount of money in some sort of investment in order to make $5,400 per year. All right, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys. In part 3, I will show you not only how to take advantage of all this, but I'll show you another strategy that will help bring more of this money back into your pocket on an ongoing basis. So instead of waiting at the end of the year to get this savings on when you file your taxes, there's a way that you can actually get that money throughout the year. So I'll show you that on part 3. And keep in mind, guys, how many other high income earners do you know that need to know about these sorts of strategies? I'm looking for partners who want to learn these strategies and learn them well enough that they can teach them to others and earn a commission in doing so. So if you're interested in learning these strategies to not only apply in your own personal life, but to also teach them to others and earn a commission by doing so, then go to www.financialhealthmentor.com and you will see an overview of the program that I have in place that will help ambitious people who want their own home-based business to take advantage of these tax deductions, but also who want to go on the crusade with me and teach this information to other high-income earners. And trust me, you can earn unlimited amounts of $25, $50, and $1,000 bonuses for teaching these concepts to other people. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today on Financial Health Mentor TV. I'm your host, H. Cortez, the Financial Health Mentor to the working class. And until I see you in the next video, get your money up.